I'm going to tell you right now, it starts with where you're at. If you have a child or kids, a family, a household, you are already a leader. So if your kids aren't listening to you, they're talking back to you, they're not motivated, you're freaking out when things get tough, you're not managing your pressure and your stress is under stress, you're not managing your emotions while under stress, you need to work on being a better leader because things are going to go wrong in your business, period. So you should always be trying to be the role model, always be trying to step into that next level of leadership. Because think about it, if right now I could wave a magic wand and just make all of your business dreams come true, I want you to think about this, but probably in the next 6 to 9 months, if you had a bunch of employees and you didn't realize the importance of leadership, is it true you'd probably piss some off? I'd probably ruffle some of their feathers. I'd probably be afraid to ask them to do something. Maybe I'd be too harsh in telling them to do this. Maybe I would tell them, I pay you to do this. You need to do. That's not leadership. Leadership is when you inspire somebody to want to be a part of your mission, of your dream, right? And leadership's important. So I want you to put a big star by that. If you don't start working on yourself right now as a leader, that means we're doing a challenge right now. You should be showing up for yourself. You should be working on developing discipline. You should be working on time management and focus. If you're a hot freaking mess and you hire 6 people, guess what? Y'all are all going to be a hot freaking mess. The only difference is now it comes out of your paycheck and you've got to pay them to be hot messes. And then what'll happen is you'll be complaining about them when you're the problem. I don't know if you guys were on the call yesterday, and I see some kids on here, but I told you if I could publish the book I want to publish, it would be called What If You're the Effing Problem? And this is the problem for most business owners is we don't take leadership seriously. We think because we know how to take great pictures or cut hair or do whatever, we think that's enough and it's not. So I'm going to challenge you guys. I want you to focus on becoming better leaders.